Welcome back to Remy's Travel. Our channel focus is on finding the best adventure for senior traveler. In today's video, we're heading about 3 hours north of Los Angeles to the Inn at the Cove. This beautiful hotel features ocean views from all 52 guest rooms and sits just a mile north of downtown Pismo Beach. The hotel provides free parking and free internet. We'll start our tour of the complimentary breakfast area, where they serve up hot waffles and eggs, buffet style, every morning between 7 and 10 a.m. Right outside, you'll find the pool and jacuzzi. Past the pool area, we hop into the scenic walkway right along the ocean cliffs. The coastline here is bursting with wildlife. On any given day, you might spot dolphins, surfers, or kayakers in the water. This portion of our tour is an easy walk that forms a loop less than 300 yards in length, so you can go back to the room if you are tired. The many chairs along the way allow you to stop and enjoy the beauty of this place, and also catch your breath if you're tired. We enjoyed ourselves just sitting on the many chairs watching the wildlife. Please stick around until the end of the video to see some of the amazing photos I took with my zoom lens. Spotted a seagull and its chick nesting right by the fence. The hotel is far enough from central Pismo Beach to offer a quiet, peaceful retreat away from the crowds. One thing to keep in mind, being right on the ocean means it stays a bit cooler. It was refreshing during our stay, but you'll definitely want a warm sweater if you're visiting in this winter. As we keep walking down the path, it leads us down to a charming little cove with a rocky beach. The walk down can be a little challenging if you have mobility issues, but it's totally manageable. Stop around here. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe. The walk up was a little bit hard, but I got through it. The views were very pretty, and it was very nice. Stick around until the very end of the video to see some of the amazing high zoom photos I took during the trip. In front of us and to the right is the door to the pool and jacuzzi. Now we're walking down the path next to the hotel. All of a sudden it becomes dark. Now we took these videos at night. It's very pretty at night as well. We're walking back to our room. On the right you see a gazebo. I did not film that. It's visible from our room. You'll see a little portion of it a little bit later. This is the path going to our room. And it continues. And this is our room 503. The room was comfortable with standard amenities such as a refrigerator and microwave. But honestly, you're paying for the beautiful views. Here's some of the pictures I took from the hotel cliff. Here's a statue of dolphins, some seagulls, some blackbirds with a little bird and a white seagull in the middle, more birds, more birds, and more birds in a little island. Here's some of the little cliffs and stuff right by the that you can see from the hotel directly. There's a moon. We had a partial full moon. Here's my beautiful wife, Remy. Here's a fisherman on a surfboard. I thought that was unusual. Another shot of him. And some kayakers. More pictures of the kayakers. They were exploring the cliffs around. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. My goal is to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. That would be a goal. Right now I'm at 10 or 8 actually. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.